Yes, we are live on Facebook and welcome to everybody from all across the world. It is a morning and evening and afternoon for some people. It is late towards the night for some people and just having you here right now, join us in this space of wellness and well-being to celebrate and experience. That is the word, experience the second webinar day of Feel. Feel, which is the Festival of Empowerment and Art for Life. What a beautiful name, right? Because that's what we're bringing to the table. We're bringing to the table the feeling. We're bringing to the table your feeling. We're bringing to the table all that we see and feel around us. So, as an individual, as a group, as a community, as an extension, because the entire world right now is feeling. And it's time for us to make sure that we reach out and hold each other's hand and share with each other whatever we possibly can. And so if you have a wellness tool, we're sharing it. If you have a well-being gift, we're sharing it. And Feel is inviting everybody from all the corners of the world to go ahead and join us to make sure that you're here with us. So please call everyone you know, your friends, your relatives, your loved ones, and let them know that at exactly 4:30 this evening is when the second webinar of Feel will go live. We are live right now, but we will start that webinar, that experience session, this virtual platform of exchange. So we are going to be inviting Dr. Shoini Chakrabarti, who is somebody who's dedicated her life to dance movement therapy and passing on the well-being of dance movement therapy to so many different populations. You'll hear more about that when I invite her to lead us into this webinar. Along with that, you will meet a senior dance movement therapy practitioner, Tilotma Chaudhary, and you're going to be in a space of well-being as you and I join, Dr. Shoini Chakrabarti, Tilotma Chaudhary in this journey. So I'm excited, actually. I'm waiting for that 4:30 time to happen, but we don't want to start too soon because we've shared with everybody who is looking forward that 4:30 is the time. So even as my clock says 4:20, what say you get your Feel well-being kit together and make sure that you're wearing comfortable clothing. If you're looking about and saying, yes, I could maybe get a little more comfortable, now's your time. You've got 10 minutes in hand. If you haven't got your bottle of water ready, go fill your bottle of water and get it ready. If you are still looking around for your Feel well-being book where you want to write down all your tools, now's the time to go across and get it. And don't worry, you don't need a new book. You just need a book that you can reach out to. It could be, like you have a favorite t-shirt that just gives you comfort. You'll have this favorite book, I'm telling you, that will give you comfort. Because when you're feeling stressed or you're feeling low on energy or you're feeling like everything is too overwhelming, reach out, maybe just open the book, and the movement or the well-being tool that you see there, reach out and start doing it. What say? So we are here. We're waiting for you to join us. We are waiting impatiently and excitedly and filled with warmth and energy. And as you join us right now, we'd like to know that you're here. So if you are joining us on the Kolkata Shambhed Facebook page, welcome. If you're joining us on our internal webinar link, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. This festival, Feel, has been put together by British Council in collaboration with Kolkata Shambhed. And it is a privilege, I believe, for all of us to have a space like this, a safe space to be able to experience well-being, to experience, and it's like a laboratory, right? So you bring yourself with all your feelings, you bring yourself emotionally, physically, mentally, spiritually into this space and be led. Be led by the movement, be led by your emotions, and allow yourself to flow. Listen to your body. And I've had the privilege of learning dance movement therapy with Dr. Shoni Chakrabarti. Um, so I got certified in the year 2016, 17, and Kolkata Shambhed is constantly making sure that they reach out to so many different populations and bring wellness and healing and guidance to many populations that may have undergone trauma. So it's wonderful that you join us here today as Dr. Shoni Chakrabarti and Tilotama Chaudhary allow us to go to our next level of wellness. So if you have found tools that you're using right now, we encourage you to keep using them, because if they're working for you, please keep using them. But we are saying that we're adding another tool to your well-being kit. So it's great to be, having more tools. It's great to keep trying what your body really requires. And today it is about the body and the mind and the connection. I'm not going to let the cat out of the bag, because the right person to speak on this topic is Dr. Shoni Chakrabarti, and she's going to be taking over in just a few moments from now. So everybody, um, you've got another 5-6 minutes, and we'll allow some music to play right now as you get into this space. And we welcome you. We welcome you with warmth. We welcome you with acceptance, with gratitude, appreciation. And we have Dr. Shoni Chakrabarti, who's also going to welcome you right now.
Yes, so we, I really, thank you, Kisha. And I wanted to welcome you at this space. Also, we don't want to talk too much. We will be experiencing. And yeah, we started a little early so that the participants can enter comfortably and we can interact, with each other from the beginning. And I hope you will be enjoying, because jointly we will co-create this space together today using our body movement, and we will discover a new way. We will see our well-being practice in a different lens to using body. So on behalf of British Council and Kolkata Shambhed, I really wanted to welcome all of you in this space to explore, to experience, to dance, to move with us. And I wanted to say that world is much happier when we move together. So let's, looking forward towards the well-being by moving together. So welcome once again for DM, Dance Movement Therapy and Wellbeing Space. And we can listen some music by the time the participants will be entering.
Thank you so much for joining us. This is Feel, the second day, the webinar that we've been looking forward to, and the unfolding of a journey that is going to be personal to you, to the immersion that you accept for yourself. And then, of course, as the days unfold, you're going to be seeing what more Feel has in offer. So today, I hope you're bringing yourself in comfortable clothing. You're bringing yourself with a nice bottle of water. You're bringing yourself with your favorite well-being toolkit with your favorite pen. It's always nice to write in longhand everything that's kind of calling to you, or if you want to put it down in the computer, just draw it, whatever's calling to you. So welcome. This is the day that we've all been waiting for. The experiential session begins with dance movement therapy. So right here, as we welcome each and every one of you, everybody who's on the internal webinar, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope that you can immerse yourself in this journey that's going to unfold. And for everybody who's joining us on the Facebook Live page, live on the Kolkata Shambhed page, it's awesome, really wonderful to see you here. Please remember that this journey that you're going to be embarking on is going to be one where you bring yourself completely and authentically to this space. So I'm going to now welcome somebody who is a pioneer actually of dance movement therapy, and we are so privileged, for a lot of us, me included, who had the privilege of learning with her and from her at the Center of Lifelong Learning at TIS in Mumbai, where Kolkata Shambhed has a course on dance movement therapy. It's over a year, and it's an experience that changes the path of a person who learns with her. So today, I'd like to welcome you. I am RJ Keisha. I've been a radio jockey for nearly 2 decades. And now I feel my calling is in well-being and sharing well-being as much as possible with my YouTube channel, Mind Your Health. But we are here to step into, move into the space of dance movement therapy. So I'm going to be inviting you to join me as I welcome somebody who has over 23 years of contribution to this field. And she is an Ashoka Fellow, a sociologist, a dance activist, and a dance movement therapist. She is the founder director of Kolkata Shambhed, and Kolkata Shambhed is that beautiful space that encourages so many of us to up our own well-being and then of course share it. And this time around, Feel is brought to you by British Council in collaboration with Kolkata Shambhed. So you know for sure that if you are looking to see the recorded version of this session and somebody you love isn't able to join us now live, remember, you've got to go to the Facebook page of Kolkata Shambhed. So I am digressing, so let me progress as I invite to take over the screen right now. Wherever you are, put your hands together as I welcome the pioneer of dance movement therapy in India and South Asia. She is somebody that I cannot stop talking about, so I'm going to stop right now and I'll tell you more as the session progresses. Please welcome with a loud round of applause, Dr. Sohini Chakrabarti.
Hi, Keisha. Thank you very much for such a lovely introduction. So so you said me to take over. I'm taking it over. So I wanted to say very briefly about Kolkata Shambhed. So Kolkata Shambhed is a women-led pioneer working in India and South Asia, using dance movement therapy as a tool for psychosocial rehabilitation, reintegration and empowerment. And we majorly work with marginalized population, and we work for both mental health and social development. And using dance movement therapy, to develop DMT practitioner from the marginalized, from the grassroots and from the survivors is our significant contribution in the global dance movement therapy approach. That's how majorly Kolkata Sangved works. And also we, like today's session, I wanted to talk a little bit later about that session. Because let me introduce also like Tilottama Chaudhuri, who is a very, very senior dance movement therapy practitioner, working more than 10 years, not only nationally, but nationally, internationally. And Tilottama is one of the founder member as well. So we are really, really looking forward to have you with us. And we jointly co-create a space of experience using body and mind, and gradually we know how we can use our body and mind for our daily well-being living. How? And one more thing I just wanted to say that like this program is designed for the age. There is an age bar of 18 plus, but I will request that if there is any child joining with anyone, just, you know, adult supervisor need to be required with that child. So this is one thing. And I just wanted to give a framework of today's session. So as I said, the entire session is experiential. We will explore and experience our body. And in this session, our main focus is to listen to our body as a part of our well-being practice. So we will express ourselves through dance, movement, music, and relax our body. The steps, the entire experience, the steps we will follow is first is the warm-up to prepare our body. And then I will come back and talk, you know, a little bit about body-mind connection and DMT and its practice. Then again, experiential process with imageries and improvisation, and then relaxation. And then feedback reflection is this reflective circle will be the part of each processes, like after warm up, after imageries, after relaxation. And the entire experiential journey will be leading by Tilottama along with me. So, and I hope like you will love her facilitation when you will see her. So one thing I just wanted to say, definitely there is some takeaways in this session, today's session. So which will be specifically focused on the self-care and well-being. And so the first thing, so we will expecting 6 takeaways. So one is, first is the feeling body sensation on daily basis. So how we can feel our body sensation. So why I am talking about this sensation, maybe I will talk a little later when I will talk about body-mind connection. The second thing is that paying attention to our body, listen to our body. The third is self-touch and self-hug. The fourth is how we can use our body with music to explore, improvise, and do free movement. Slow movement for meditating and relaxation. So these 6 areas we will be exploring, and this will be also our takeaways. But before going to experience, we have some ground rules for our own safety. Stay in a comfortable position, which you feel that sitting or you know, standing, or you can move. Keep a bottle of water to hydrate your body. So keep a space so that you can relax. If you have any injury or other physical issue, please move as per your ability. So we will try within our limitation, we will maximize our potential. So we will explore that how we can use our own spontaneous movement to explore our body and ourselves. So definitely Tilottama will be guiding some movement, but we need to remember that we always do on our own way. So the core principle is to create a creative space within our body by moving ourselves. So again, I'm repeating, create a creative space within your body by moving yourself. Over to Tilottama. So we can start with warm up, or before going to Tilottama, if Kisha, you want to add anything.
Well, thank you so much, ma'am. What a beautiful setting has been created right now. So at home, you know where we are headed, and I just want to get you into this space completely with the opening ritual. So everybody, if you are seated against a chair, then you've got a backrest. But if you're sitting in front, that's fine as well, as long as you are comfortable. Place your feet on the floor or cross them. Place your hands in a comfortable position. And let's bring ourselves into the here and the now. And we are going to be saying these three words, which is, I'm here now. I'm here now. All of me is right here now. And you bring your hands, your limbs, and your legs, as you stroke them, bringing them into this present moment with you. All right? I'm here now. I'm here now. All of me is right here now. One more time. I'm here now. I'm here now. All of me is right here now. So all of you is right here, and we are ready to step into the space of dance movement therapy. And while we step in one more time, let me repeat that we request you to understand that the entire session and the entire festival of FEEL, the Festival for Empowerment and Art for Life, has been created keeping the age bracket of 18 years and above in mind. So in case we do have anybody who's below 18 years of age, a request that an adult joins you and is present with you as long as you are present in this session. Thank you so much for your understanding, because it is your well-being that we have in mind.
Okay, so let's, as I said in the beginning, that how the session will be going. So let's, our opening ritual has been done. So let's go to the warm-up to prepare our body. So hand it over to Tilottama.
Thank you. Okay, अभी आ गया हम लोग का एक्सपीरियंस का पार्ट. तो अभी हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि जो जहाँ पे बैठे हो या खड़े हो, जो अपना कंफर्टेबल प्लेस आपको लगता है कि वहां जाके आप खड़े रहना है और बैठना है, जो भी हो. पहला करना है कि अपने फुल बॉडी को चेक करना है. इस पे हम लोग साउंड करेंगे. हाँ, हा 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 ओ हा ओ हा. एंड स्लोली स्लोली अपने बॉडी को मूव करना है.
Now we will moving ourselves with music very slowly. Again, I wanted to say that Tilottama is doing the guiding movement, but you can do on your own way. head to toe. You can do your movement while you are sitting as well. And check what's happening into your body. Music will continue. So with this movement, try to use your different part of the body. But when you are moving, just check you are safely moving. You can use space, as much space you have. Use leg, use hand, use head, use your hips. Take 1 more minute to finish the movement. Take 1 more minute to finish your movement. Slowly come back to your space. Slowly come back to your space and slowly finish your movement. Don't rush. Don't rush. Sit. Take a deep breath. 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. And take 2-3 minutes to note down into your notebook how you are feeling, what's happening into your body. And it will be great if you can share a little, in the chat box.
Well, the chat box is getting very active here. Thank you so much that you're showing us your presence. Kamalika says it feels like it's being back in class at TIS. Wonderful.
It has to be all panelists and attendees.
Yes, a request to please send it to everybody, to all the attendees as well, and not only the panelists, but you've got to send it to all panelists and attendees, because we can see many, many experiences over here. Charvi says very energized. Gayatri, okay, and it's moving at great speed, the chat, which is also your presence here. Suhotra Biswa says body activated and energized. Gayatri is saying power, and there was more. Sabitri saying feeling alive and exciting. I think, and Krupa is saying feeling a rush of energy and thoughts, reconnecting with self, says Klizma de Costa. Kavita Krishnamurthy says fast breath, sweating, smiling, feeling free, loose, and reaching out. Wow. The presence, your presence here in this space. Thank you. Please, whenever you feel like you want to share, please make sure that you type in the chat and let us know how you're feeling.
And this is very important that, you know, when you are really saying that I am freeing or, you know, tight or sweating or tired or exhausted, because these all are, you know, sensation which sometimes we are not aware. So as soon as we are really, you know, paying attention, using playfully, creatively, it helps us to, you know, bring lot of focus into our body and mind, which really actually help us to, for a growth of a holistic well-being. Holistic self, physical, emotional, cognitive, social, and spiritual, 5 self. And dance and movement has that power to cover, you know, that 5 self. Yeah.
We have even Sisha who's saying a strong restlessness in the body. So if some of us are feeling energized and invigorated and filled with energy, we're also feeling a strong restlessness in the body.
That's fine. That's fine, because, you know, those are, you know, our authentic feeling. But if you are really feeling very, very restless right now, like even in mind and in body, just breathe in 3 times and hydrate your body. You know, it's very important. So as soon as you are breathing, you are providing an oxygen in your brain, which making a, you know, balance in your brain, and also like hydrating your body is very important. So really take a sip of water.
Well, this is amazing, because we can see that you're present. We've got Jinal, who's also answered saying, even though I don't know dance properly, but it feels like dance movements helped to move our body as a whole.
Yeah, so it's not necessarily required that you have to know the dance. I think that's the important part. You know, I will come in my lecture, the next thing.
Yeah. So we are moving forward.
And we are, yeah, and we are very happy that all those you know, like a authentic sharing and reflection is coming, so that you are actually articulating your movement, what's happening in your body. So that's very important. Yeah, Kisha.
Yes, so this is beautiful, because there's also appreciation for Tilotmadi. Lovely energy. Thanks, says Gayatri Joshi. And of course, you're going to be a part of more experiential session right now. But before we move forward, I'm going to ask Dr. Shoini, what is dance movement therapy? Because dance is the word that pops out. And like Gina said, I don't know dance properly. So, but the dance movements are helping us to move our body as a whole. So what is dance movement therapy? And if you can tell us also a little bit about the mind-body connect.
Yes. So, you know, let's start with the global definition of dance movement therapy, which is called DMT by American Dance Therapy Association, which is widely accepted that DMT is the psychotherapeutic use of movement and dance through which a person can engage creatively in a process to further their emotional, cognitive, physical, and spiritual self. And UK and some other part of Europe, it called dance movement psychotherapy. So it's also known as DMP. And this is a body-based creative psychotherapy. And I hope that a little bit, you got the sense with the warm-up. So DMP is for all. So it is an integrated body-mind approach. In DMP process, actually it's engage, I am repeated that it engage a person creatively to discover, nurture, and explore oneself. So when we today, did the movement during warm-up, whether we know the dance or not, doesn't matter. We engage ourselves creatively and using our own body. So DMT helps to connect and work on 5 selves. So that I said that physical, emotional, cognitive, social, and spiritual. So there is the very, important process include in DMT, which is creative process. So what is in the creative process? So in the creative process, there is physical body-based activity, which we are doing. There is expressive and creative dance, which we will be using, in our next experience. Movement, rhythm, gesture, spontaneity, because spontaneity is something that help you to, everyone has their own spontaneity. So your own spontaneity helping you to create your own movement and engage with yourself. Energy, imagery, symbol, metaphor, improvisation, therapeutic movement relationship. This is more important. It's a client therapist relationship, because facilitator, when me and Tilottama is working with you, though we are unable to, see you, but we are engaging with you through a therapeutic movement relationship. And kinesthetic empathy, because in our process, it's very important to develop the body empathy first as a step. And dance movement therapy also plays a significant role in improving mental health and well-being. If we see the research, in different research, so it's saying that dance movement therapy and dance are effective for increasing quality of life and decreasing clinical symptoms such as depression and anxiety. Positive effects also found on the increase of well-being, positive mood, self-regulation, body image. DMT also has been used extensively in trauma work, allowing survivors to reclaim their bodies from violence and abuse. And this is one of the significant work which Kolkata Sangved does for, last 2 decades, because this is our main domain area using the Sampurnata model, and how we can develop, a survivor also to become healer after their healing recovery process. So since it is an experiential methodology, dance movement therapy, it gives a participants, it gives us a space to process our feeling in a safe space, in a safe manner. Since this method incorporates creative learning, it will not run the risk of re-traumatizing participants. So as I can express myself without saying any word. So I can express joy, pain, pleasure, anything. So using dance and movement. So if we want to see ourselves as a whole, it is very important to be aware of both body and mind and the integration of body-mind in life. Most of the time with work stress, busy daily routine or family pressure, we forgot to take care of ourselves. In this pandemic period, this has been increased, and we all are going through stress, anxiety, pain, loss, fear, uncertainty, vulnerability, worries, negative energy, and many more factors, which we never faced before. And we also don't know how to deal with it. Even in some cases, it is leading towards post-traumatic stress disorder and clinical depression. And when it's happened, so, most of the time when it's happened, we don't even understand or we don't even aware. And one more thing, especially I wanted to mention in this pandemic situation that our movement and mobility is highly restricted now. I'm repeating again that our movement and mobility is highly restricted now. So it is actually impacting huge in our body and mind and overall our mental health and well-being. So we know we are going through somatic pain, headache, emotional burden, stress, lethargy. Sometimes we found no motivation, anger, but we are not paying attention into it. Under these circumstances, taking care of oneself for development of our overall well-being is very important and highly needed. So now the question is how we will be doing that. First thing is required to bring awareness about our body and listen to our body. And that's how we will be, because 1.5 hours we cannot learn a lot of things. So in this session, at least, will be our biggest takeaway that how we can paying attention to our body. And this is very, very important step. And this is scientific, because physical sensation are the foundation of human consciousness. So here I really wanted to quote famous psychiatrist, author, researcher Bessel van der Kolk, who written very, recently, few years back, a book also, The Body Keeps the Score. So he said that I think body-based technique help you to feel what's happening in your body and breathe into it and not run away from it. So you can be friendly with your experience. So here is the significant contribution of dance and movement, which help you to become friendly and comfortable with your body through aware about your body sensation, body feeling. So paying attention to our body is a process and it is a daily practice. It's not happen that when you are coming into today's session and from tomorrow you will be, equipped. So you have to practice every day. So if we are aware, so we can see that our body always gives a notice, an indication, especially our internal sensation and feelings. So as soon as we become friend with our body, it automatically makes us comfortable and bring peace in mind. We never think in our daily life and in daily routine how we are feeling bodily. So I am again repeating that it's very important to think, to give importance that how we are feeling bodily. And I think even people don't ask that how you are feeling bodily. So are we aware of this? Are we ever thinking about this? So now here dance movement can play and DMT can play a big role to help us. Dance and movement has a natural power to unite and bring harmony between body and mind. Creative power of dance help people explore their body in a creative and playful manner. Again, here, the question can come, then I have to know, I have to become a dancer. No, you don't need to become a dancer because we are taking the creative part of the dance. We are using the creative potential of the dance. When you are using and improvising your spontaneous movement, and that is becoming your own dance. So dance, we should not see dance from a stereotypical lens here. And I think in DMT also, in DMT framework, dance is majorly, like it's developed from dance, but it's used the creative power of dance. So body and mind are integrated and interlinked is the basic core principle of dance movement therapy. Whatever we are experiencing in life or from the environment, that is restored in our body and that recorded in our mind. So physical sensation is the connecting point between body and mind. So as soon as you are really able to sense, notice, paying attention into your body, you can get a united holistic self. So you can find the united, harmony between body and mind. So as I said that our body always gives signal. So translating those signals and being aware is listening to our body. So awareness is very important, like what's happening. So I'm feeling pain here, or, you know, there is, I'm sweating, I'm thirsty. So sometimes we are, you know, so when we are in stress also, there is a lot of body signals come, but we don't pay attention on it, or we don't aware about it. We don't know about it. So this is a practice. So I think I said practice 5-6 times. So DMT is an experiential process, and it helps deeply working with the body. So we can express and explore different sensation, fun, pleasure. And I think the pleasure is very important thing to explore through the body. Happiness, sadness, anger, frustration, and many more feelings, emotion. Using our body creatively with dance and movement is really create a space. It's give us space to for our healing and well-being. Definitely, we need to remember DMT is a process-based work and required a therapist or supervisor who will help and guide an individual to take through the process. But in everyday life, we can do movement with imageries and music to express ourselves. So I think today when we will be doing experiential, our next session will be with Tilottama using imagery and music to improvise, you know, our own movements. So these can be part of daily well-being routine. At least we can use this creative modality to develop the knowledge of paying attention to body and connecting with body and listen to our body for work as a holistic self. So in our model Sampurnata DMT approach, participants feel more aware of their bodies. So aches, pain, sensation. So these seen as a positive growth of awareness. It helps to become friendly with body sensation and increase the ability to acknowledge and accept the state of body-mind process. As soon as I am acknowledging or accepting what's happening, irrespective of, you know, it's not always, you know, happy or joy. So different kind of sensation. So it's really helping me to grow. And humans naturally, because this I wanted to say, it's very important during this pandemic time, humans naturally calm down when they are touched, hugged, and rocked, especially when we are in distress situation. But during pandemic, we are unable to do it. So self-touch and self-hugging work is a healing pathway right now. So in our methodology, also healing touch play an instrumental role during relaxation. This touch not only to feel good, but to build the capacity of the participants to connect with self, with acceptance, love, and care. We can bring this in our daily life practice as well. So we can do this in the morning and bedtime with our own favorite music. Music plays an instrumental role in DMT as it stimulates movement. It is true for every stages of DMT process. Very soothing, slow, and instrumental music is recommended in relaxation process. But I also wanted to mention that it's not necessary that you need always music. A DMT session can done without music also. If we see that in the beginning, Tilottama, there was no music. She was just using the voice, only the body. So that is also possible. And relaxation process helps to calm, decrease anxiety level, and help in emotional regulation. So this can be done with very slow meditative movement as well. So this is, you know, this much I wanted to say. And I hope that when we will experience, we will be know more, and knowing more about the body is the key of today's session, and that we cannot do without experience. So I wanted to say once again, ignoring our body is actually ignoring ourselves. So keep it that in your mind. So paying attention into your body, our body is genius and has wisdom. So let's explore and experience that with Tilottama. So our next session will be using imagery, and we will be improvising with imagery, our body and movement. Again, Tilu will be guiding you with lot of movement, but you can do on your own way. And when she will give some imagery, but you can also, you know, bring your own imagery. Yes, over to Tilottama. And if you have any questions, just keep it into your notebook. We will come back later.
Thank you. ओके अभी हम लोग 4-5 तरीके से अपना बॉडी पार्ट को पहचानेंगे एंड एक्सपीरियंस करेंगे कि क्या फील हो रहा है थ्रू इमेजरी के द्वारा। अभी हम लोग सब अपने आंख बंद करेंगे एंड फील करेंगे कि आपका हेड बिग बॉल्स है। आप कुछ भी इमेजरी कर सकते हो, मैं तो सिर्फ एक बॉल बोली हूं, पर आप कुछ भी उसको सोच सकते हो। ये बिग बॉल आपका बॉडी पार्ट को लीड करेंगे। ये बॉल हल्का भी हो सकता है, भारी हो सकता है, हेजिटेट हो सकता है, कुछ भी जो आप सोच रहे हो, जैसे आप इमेजिन कर रहे हो उसको। कंफर्टेबल पोज में आप जाके खड़े भी हो सकते हो, बैठ भी सकते हो। एंड धीरे धीरे ओपन योर आईज एंड स्टार्ट वेरी स्लोली।
Yes, start very slowly with music. The music will be coming. You can imagine your ball heavy, light, slow, fast. Your head is leading the entire body. We can use different level if we have enough space. We can explore with ease in a sitting position like Kisha. We will take 1 more minute to finish the movement and slowly come back to our space. Take a deep breath. You can see it. Open your eyes. Take a note that what's happening into your body, where you feel comfortable, where you feel challenges, what kind of sensation came. And definitely sip water to hydrate your body. If you feel comfortable, you can type it out on the chat box, or you just keep the note into your notebook. And now slowly we will be going the second step to explore. So we will explore separately, you know, all the parts. And
अभी हम लोग
whatever happening, I am seeing some feedback is coming. It's fine. So we need to accept that. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, Tilottama, go ahead for next.
फिर से हम अपने आंखें बंद करेंगे। अभी फील करना है आपके कंधे से कमर तक थ्री इमेजरी आपको अनुभव करना है। एक लहर, एक तूफान, एक हवा। मैं 3 बोली हूं, पर आप अपने जैसे इमेजरी को आप सोच सकते हो इसके सिवा भी, जो आपको लगता है कि अपना बॉडी को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए आपको हेल्प करेंगे।
So 3 imageries: wave, wind, and storm, and we will be exploring from shoulder to waist. Slowly, when music will come, we will start to explore. Yes, Tilottama will guide some movement, but you will be doing it on your own way, with your own way. Even you can imagine whatever imageries, you know, you feel, you connect. Take 1 more minute to finish and slowly come back to your space. Slowly come back to your space. Take your time. Finish your movement. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And slowly open your eyes and take a note what's happening in the body, how you are feeling, what which was comfortable, which was more challenging. And if you want to share in the chat box, you can. If not, that is okay. Slowly, we will be going to the third part.
नाउ फिर से हम लोग अपने आंखें को बंद करेंगे। अभी फील करना है अपने हिप को। आपको सोचना है कि आपका हिप एक बिग बैलून है। आप खुद की तरह खुद अलग भी इमेजरी ले सकते हो। ये एक बिग बैलून है। ये कभी चंचल हो जा रहा है, कभी शांत हो रहा है, कभी भाग रहा है, कभी चुप करके बैठे हैं, कभी पीठ फूल के अपना मूविंग कर रहा है। जो भी आप इमेजिन कर रहे हो, अभी इसको अनुभव करना है अपने हिप के द्वारा।
So we will be moving now our hip and imagine it is a balloon, and we can, we can have fun. We can imagine big way, we can imagine small way, whatever way. So you can take your own imagery with that balloon, but we will be using the portion hip. Yeah, so as soon as the music will start, we will be starting to move, and I hope now you know how to use your body. So with the imageries and the music. So now you can, explore and don't look at Tilottama. So whatever, Tilottama is doing, let her do. So I hope you got the sense that how to use body, how to explore. So our hip is leading the body. It's not that you have to move only the hip, but hip is leading the body. Take one more minute. Take one more minute to finish. Slowly come back to your space. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out for 3 times. Breathe in, breathe out. And take note again how your body felt, how you feel, whether it was comfortable, challenging, or other kind of thoughts, feelings is coming. But don't forget about your body. What kind of sensation came? Okay, thank you for your, active participation, because your feedback is inspiring us, like it's like gives us a glimpse that, how you are feeling right now. So yes, so we will be going to the next level, next one.
अभी हम लोग फिर से आंखें बंद करेंगे एंड इमेजिन करेंगे अपने दोनों पैर झरने के पानी हैं और उसी 2 पैर को लेके उस झरने में हम खुद के लिए एक रिदम क्रिएट कर रहे हैं.
So imagine your both legs are waterfalls and you are playing rhythm in that waterfalls. So using your both legs, don't forget that you need to use the whole body, where your leg will be leading the entire. And you can take different, imageries also. Remember, you have to create a rhythm. As soon as the music will come, we will start to create that rhythm in the waterfalls. Yes. Can we slow down the music? 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 Yes, I am explaining once again that we need to imagine. Tilottama, just hold for 1 second. Once again, some participants wanted to know. Yes, so we have to imagine our both legs as waterfalls, and that waterfalls is creating lot of rhythm. Yes, and you can imagine, other images also. So you can take these imageries, you can take other imageries. And thank you for sharing that, we need to explain once again. So those are very important in any experiential process. Yes, yes. So I hope that we can now go with the music. Okay, thank you. Yes, we can go with the music now. Okay, if you feel, you can share in the chat box. Or you can take a note into your notebook. Great. We are really, getting lot of powerful, sharing. Thank you. It's feel very, very connected. Like I'm feeling like we are in a circle, and you are sharing. So it's really, really connected. So let's go to the, I think the last portion, right, Tilottama? Before relaxation, the last portion
Yeah.
for this imagery improvisation.
अगेन हम लोग फिर से अपना आंख बंद करेंगे। अभी फील करना है फुल बॉडी पार्ट पे डिफरेंट कलर लगे हुए हैं, एवरी पार्ट, एंड अपना फुल बॉडी पार्ट को लेके आप जहां पे हो अपने चारों तरफ वो रंग को स्प्रेड करना है, फुल बॉडी पार्ट।
So we have to imagine that we have lot of colors into our different body parts, and we have to move into the entire space with that colors, spreading and reaching out with that colors. Yes.
Yeah.
And we will be using head, we will be using hand, we will be using leg, we will be using hips, we will be using chest, we will be using shoulder, elbow, face, everything. You can imagine also that there is a canvas, and you are coloring that canvas. So whatever imageries you can take with this color, you can take. Feel the color into your body. Breathe with that color. Live with that color. Spread that color. As soon as the music will come, we will start. Take 1 more minute to finish. Take a deep breath for 3 times. Hydrate your body. Now take a final note, how you are feeling physically, emotionally, cognitively, spiritually, socially. How you are feeling bodily. And if you share your reflection in this circle, imagine we are sitting in a circle and we are sharing a reflective circle. It will be really very like, we will be very thankful if you can share the entire, experience of that imagery and improvisation.
So Dr. Sohini, as we're moving forward right now, we saw that along with Tilotma Dey, that even you were moving. So first, let's ask Tilotma Chaudhary, how are you feeling right now as we wait for all the many comments from our circle of wellness and well-being that we have here? Like Dr. Sohini said, it actually feels like it is a circle, and those are the sharings.
Now I feel मेरा सांस बहुत फूल रहा है अभी एंड बहुत सॉटी हो रहा है, पर फील वेरी प्राउड बिकॉज थ्रू मूवमेंट के द्वारा मैं अपना एक्सप्रेशन कर पाई, क्योंकि बहुत कुछ होता है कि हम लोग बोल नहीं पाते हैं, पर थ्रू मूवमेंट के द्वारा हम बहुत ही आसानी से वो सब कुछ बोल पाते हैं जो बहुत स्मूथली लोगों के पास पहुंचता है। और ये बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट है कि मूवमेंट में बहुत एक शक्ति है जो हम मूवमेंट के द्वारा हम लोग सब कुछ कर सकते हैं। जैसे सोचो कोई बात बोल नहीं पाते, जैसे हम बोल पाते, पर कोई होता है कि उसका साउंड नहीं होता है, पर वो बॉडी के थ्रू में अपना एक्सप्रेस कर पाते हैं। तो ये मूवमेंट मेरे लिए बहुत इम्पावर देता है अपने अंदर को, शक्ति को बढ़ाने के लिए, कि कभी कभी मैं डरती हूँ कि मैं नहीं बोल पाऊंगा कुछ भी, पर मेरा ये मूवमेंट ही मेरे को आगे ले जाता है कि मैं कैसे अपना एक्सप्रेस को उसको पास हम लोग भेज पाते हैं। तो इसकी वजह से मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, मूवमेंट के थ्रू में हम अपना खुद को पहचान जो भी हो मैं प्रकाश कर सकती हूँ। और ये बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट जगह है, क्योंकि मूवमेंट ही हमको शक्ति देता है, मूव करता है, और एक प्रकाश के द्वारा हम अपना आवाज जो वॉइस होता है वो वॉइस हम लोग पहुंच पाता है। तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है और इसी को लेके मेरा लाइफ स्टार्ट हुआ। और मैं यही लाइफ में जैसे अपने खुद के लिए जैसे मैं बढ़ा रही हूँ, और मेरा कोशिश वही रहता है कि मैं अदर्स पर्सन को भी इसी द्वारा में हम लेके जाएंगे और उसको भी एक दूर तक जो कुछ नहीं बोल पाते कि वो थ्रू मूवमेंट के द्वारा वो बोल पाए.
Wow, that is such a powerful sharing. And when you say that movement itself gives you so much of power, the expression to be authentic, right? Because sometimes language has its filters, but movement is just so authentic. Dr. Shohini, can we hear from you as well?
Yeah, so I am really, very honestly, initially my body was started to, nervous, because that it's an experiential process, it's a space. So how to make a safe space, and also how to connect, with people. And like that's a very instrumental to make a, safe space before starting. So I think that's all, but gradually when it's started to like run, I saw that yes, people are connecting, people are sharing, they are sharing their, safety or what they are feeling. So that help us to, take this forward. So that is one thing. And the other thing is definitely I was like sitting and doing the movement, as I am coordinating also the music and other thing as well. So, I was discovering because most of the time I stand and move. So sitting and moving is, I am discovering the maximum potential of my body within this limitation. So that's a, new discovery. And definitely I was sweating. That sensation is, is nice, energized, and, inspiring. So a lot of things.
Well, ma'am, I think along with your sharing, there are so many sharings over here, which
Yeah, a lot of.
beautiful sharings. Thank you so much, Jacob, who joins us all the way from New York and says that it's really early in New York, but you got up early to be with us and you've shared so beautifully. There is Kavita Krishnamurthy, Krupa Doshi. Please go through the chat and read those sharings because they're beautiful and they're substantial. And I don't want to just take one word, but acknowledging your sharing. Thank you. Immense appreciation for you sharing from the heart. Dr. Sanjot, Sesha Pillai, Nehal Shah, and also on our Facebook page of Kolkata Shomved, we had close to 90-100 viewers moving as well with us. So
90-100.
yes, so that is amazing that there are so many people who are moving, and thank you so much for joining us. Feeling lighthearted, says Reshma. Neha is here as well. Biswajit, Shaggy. There are so many. Kakali and Manisha. Thank you very much, Julan. Your presence and your sharing is beautiful. Thank you so much. Well, any questions that you have, because Dr. Shohini is going to be answering them right now. So any questions that you have about dance movement therapy, please go ahead and let us know, because that is what will make a huge difference here.
Yeah, so I saw a quick question that how to facilitate, in this platform. So one thing I wanted to say, if you really wanted to become a facilitator, you have to gone through the proper DMT academic course, which we run with Tata Institute in collaboration with Center for Lifelong Learning and School of Social Work. Become a facilitator, and facilitating in this platform, definitely you want to become a certified practitioner. So don't try, using, so this is for yourself. I said I wanted to, repeat it, whatever we learned, and I said the 6 takeaways from this session, which we will repeat again. So this is for yourself, not for practicing in different, definitely you can, small thing you can practice into your small group, within your family, within your organization, but not in the name of therapy. But definitely movement well-being, you can practice those 6 areas.
Ruth Dillon joins in as well, and she says, great experience today. Thank you so much. The beautiful news is that Ruth is going to be joining us for a session the following week on Friday. So please make sure that you join us on the 21st for visual art.
Yeah, so let's, I think there is less of time. Time is limiting. So let's move to the relaxation, what I said. Yeah. So we will start with very slow movement first to relaxing our body. Take a really comfortable space, and Tilottama will guiding those slow movement. And from the slow movement, we will very slowly, going to the self-touch and self-hug. So that's slow movement, and you can really also, if you want, from the sitting position, you can lie down in this relaxation. But when you are lying down, you make sure you are in really, really in a open body position. So, okay, Tilottama, can we go for the relaxation?
Okay. नाउ अभी हम लोग फील करेंगे कि अपना फुल बॉडी एक फेदर है और वो फेदर अपना एवरी बॉडी पार्ट को टच करते करते जा रहा है. जो जो हम लोग बैठे हैं या एक्स पोजीशन पे सोया है या लेटे हैं या कोई भी मूव करना चाहते हो स्लो मूवमेंट के द्वारा, तो आपको फील करना है कि वो फेदर अपना एक एक बॉडी पार्ट को बहुत स्लोली टच करते करते जा रहा है.
And one more thing I wanted to add, that if you don't want to imagine feather into the, into this relaxation activity, you can really imagine your favorite or comfortable things, an image, which really help you to relax. And make that image, feel that image that is touching each and every part of your body. So can we have the relaxation music slowly? So with the music, we will be Can we slowly shift to the other music? We will be slowly shifting to another music. And in this process, you can touch also each and every body part. You can swing, slowly swing. You can lie down. You can do very slow walk. Try to hug yourself and rock. Feel the big space within your body. Take 1 more minute. Music will be continue. Take really, relax yourself. You can do slow movement in sitting, in standing, or you can just rock like Kisha, swing like Kisha. You can do once again the self-touch. Once again, self-hug and just swing with yourself. Swing with yourself. Feel yourself as a whole. Take 1 more minute to come back to your space. Music will be slowly slowed down.
And हम लोग हाथ घसेंगे.
Rub. We will rub our hand.
And touch your head very slowly.
Very gently we will touch our head. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in will be continuing.
फिर से एक बार touch your heart.
Breathe in, breathe out.
Last time. Hug your body. And breathing. फिर से.
One more time.
Last time. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. So I think by the time the question answer or other feedback will come, I will just wanted to share some resource which can you can carry with you. So if I am first saying that our website address, and there is an area called Samved Connect. And if you go there, you can find a lot of knowledge material. If you go to our website, you can see how like entire dance movement therapy program detail. And it's very important. Remember, a lot of people ask question how to, you know, lead online session. So there is a document on the on Shongved Connect. So you can really check that, and you can adapt that guideline to facilitate your online session. So yes, so you all are sharing, but I am also sharing with you. The another thing is you can, I am giving you 6 video, guiding video link here. I'm giving 6 guiding video link here. Sorry, I think I have to. This is, yeah. So if you subscribe Kolkata Shongved YouTube channel, you can really get more videos, more than 6 videos, and you can practice, you know, at your home. Okay, and so this is YouTube link and the Facebook page link. Sorry, yeah, quickly I'm doing because we have 3-4 minutes in our hand. Yes, Kisha, you can ask, but by that time, you know, and I'm also suggesting, you know, some music list. So the kind of music we have played, if you want to, you know, you can develop a music library. So these all are suggestions. This is nothing mandatory that you have to use this music, but a music library help you to move every day. And definitely here is some tools, like tools already I gave, but I hope you understood that how to listen and paying attention to your body. But this is something you can use also. And definitely, you know, the breathing and the movement and also emotional freedom technique, you can go online and check. And I think the first one was not there, so I am giving once again. And we will send you over email also. And if anyone wanted this, so please email kolkatashongved@gmail.com. So it's kolkatashongved@gmail.com. To get it. Yes, and yeah, and I just wanted to give one more time I hope that we are able to go like take away today's takeaways. Yeah. Final. Yes.
So there's so much that you've added in the chat column, and everybody is going to stay online for a very long time, making sure that they copy all of this. You'll definitely have access to it here in the chat, all the resources. So make sure that you also log on to the Kolkata Shongved Facebook page. If you like it, you'll also be able to watch the live video, and the resources will be put down there in the comments, so you have access to them. Also make sure that you write into Kolkata Shongved specifically asking for access to these resources. But as we move towards the close, we want to say a big thank you to Dr. Shoni Chakraborty, who is the founder director of Kolkata Shongved, and she's dedicated her life to making sure the dance movement therapy creates a difference. And we can all feel it right now, right? As you take a deep breath and send out your love back to her, as we've received so much today. Thank you so much. We want to say a big thank you to Tilotama Chaudhary. When Dr. Shoni was sharing with me in a small write-up about Tilotama Chaudhary, she wrote that she's profound, she's creative, she's multi-talented, one of the founding members of Kolkata Shongved and a senior dance movement therapy practitioner. And I'm sure you felt all of that creativity and profoundness today in her movement. Thank you so much for joining us and sharing and allowing us to be able to mirror some of that. Also, we want to say thank you to the entire festival team, the Feel Festival, which is going on right now. We are only at day 2. We've got 4 days to go. So remember that you are walking this journey with us. Share the word on Feel so that everybody goes ahead and joins in as well, which is a festival for empowerment and art for life. And we're empowering you, hoping to, that these are well-being tools you'll carry for life. Okay. So let's put our hands together at home. It's always wonderful to put your hands together. So it's a big team who's really done this for a long time now. And all those days, all those hours, all those dry runs, all the behind the scenes, we're saying thank you to you, all the members of British Council and Kolkata Shongved. I'm hoping you're putting your hands together for Jonathan Kennedy, Paramita Chaudhary, Shonali Ganguly, Manish Gupta, Radhika Singh from British Council, and Namrata Kanuga from Kolkata Shongved. Thank you. Mallikarjun Roy for hosting the festival and all the technical behind the scenes. The Adhiraj Mukherjee and the HIP element for designing all the communication material. Please make sure that you look at all these beautifully designed posters and read the content, because it kind of prepares you to enter this safe space with us. Also, all the volunteers who are supporting this team so successfully. Loads of gratitude and love to Shubham Srivastav, Krishnendu BS, Shruti Iyer, Palomi Robin, and Gayatri Joshi. And last but not the least, to you at home. You joined in, you made a difference. And today, I think you opened your heart and you shared. And we felt it. We felt that. I'm going to keep a big request from all of you. Some of your love back to us will be the feedback form that is being put right now in the chat. We're going to put it, it's been put already, we're going to put it again, but your feedback allows us to know where we're at and how we can make sure that the platform you're presenting, the sharing that we're bringing to you, ups itself and becomes exactly what you need at this point in time. So for everybody who shared with an open heart, thank you.
Yes, I just wanted to say one more thing, that if you really feel anything that, you know, for some participants that need to reach during this festival time, please email kolkatashongved@gmail.com. Like, because we experience, it is an experiential process and we experience the body. So something can pop up. So immediately again, I am typing kolkatashongved@gmail.com. Reach to us and definitely we will support you.
So a very quick mention of the dates to follow. Say it with me. 16th is done. So we need to remember only 4 more days. Are you remembering it with me? Remember it. 21st, where we have visual art. And I shared earlier, Ruth Dillon is going to be taking that session. It's going to be experiential as well. On the 22nd, we've got sound therapy by Sally Davies. On the 28th, we're going to have Professor Dr. Lata Narayan join us and make sure that we get into a space of mindfulness practice. And on the 29th, all of us are going to get together in a huge global well-being circle. So everybody it's going to be a virtual platform, but we'll all share. And it's going to be experiential as well. So these are the dates. Remember them, join us, spread the word, because Feel is not only for me or for you, but Feel is for everybody. Dr. Shoini Chakrabarti, thank you.
When we move together, world is much happier when we move together. So moving towards well-being by moving together. Thank you, Kisha. Thank you all.
So thank you very much for joining us here. We are signing out from here. I am RJ Kisha. I am feeling privileged to moderate this space, but I'm going to see you next week, 21st, 4:30. Even if you join us before that, 4:15, we'll be here. We are excited. We're bringing our gift to you, and your presence is your gift to us. Thank you so much. And while we're moving out, let's give ourselves a tap on the back, because, well, shabash, or well done. We have done an investment in ourselves. So give yourself a clap on the back, however you're feeling right now. Like Dr. Shoini Chakrabarti says, drink that water, be mindful of your breath. And if you're feeling the need, reach out to Kolkata Shongved. Thank you very much for joining us at FEEL Festival for Empowerment and Art for Life, brought to you by British Council in collaboration with Kolkata Shambir. Your presence is appreciated. You are loving, you are loved, and you are lovable. Thank you for joining us.